We are at Disney. Very excited.
Well, we're not at Disney yet.
Well, we're getting
on the
there.
shuttle.
We're getting there. We've basically, I've done like a montagey bit at the beginning because I didn't have time to film the intro, and then I filmed the intro at Frankie and Benny's, and then I accidentally deleted it. So
go over to my vlog if you want to see what we got up to between leaving the house this morning and now.
Exactly. But yeah, basically we had some food, got on the plane, got here, and now we're on the Magic Shuttle waiting to get to our hotel. So I will catch you guys up when we get to the hotel, show you the room.
We're staying at the Kyriad.
And we are staying at the Kyriad, which we've never stayed at before, which is very exciting. So let us know down below if you've stayed there.
It's got a petting zoo. With like donkeys and stuff.
I'm thoroughly excited. I love petting zoos. Like I've been to a lot, I haven't. I've been to like one of my but it was a very enjoyable experience. But yeah, very excited. So catch you guys up when we get to the hotel. We've just arrived at the hotel, and I'm sorry that you can hear a lot of noise in the background, and I'm sorry that I look like a weird, I don't even know, but we're staying at the Kyriad this time, which will be really exciting. I've heard some really good things, so yeah, we're just going to basically check in, go and sort ourselves out, freshen up, and then head into the park, and I'm so excited. Got to get some Disney ears, and yeah, I'm just so excited to go and look in all the shops and stuff. But I'm glad that we're finally here because a day of travelling is honestly knackering. So yeah, can't wait. So we've just made it to the hotel and we've kind of unpacked. I say unpacked, I mean we've taken all of our stuff and put it everywhere. So yeah, got my ears on, went for these in the end because I don't think the red ones will fit, go with my outfit. Holly's looking fab in her rainbow ears and rainbow jumper, which I'm like
so well,
incredibly jealous about. Like it looks so good. But yeah, I've just got my Walt Disney jumper on, so we're gonna go. And I finally put some lip balm on after like 5 hours of crying about it, so all is good. We have made it to Disney. I'm so excited. I actually can't. I can see World of Disney and I just want to spend all of my money on all of the things I don't need. How much do you want to go into World of Disney and just spend loads of money right now?
Very much.
So excited. But yeah, I'm so excited, can't wait. And the weather's actually, touch wood. Oh
my god.
This is lush. Yeah, for us, really, we're like loving it. We've got like only got 3 layers on. I'm like,
literally.
Love it. Like last time we came, we wore like 5 layers, 6 layers.
But like, I'm wearing 3 layers and I'm like happy. Like,
yeah, like I'm comfortable.
Fine. For night time especially.
Yeah, like, it's 8:30. It's still light outside. Like I'm highly confused. However, it's fine. The plan of action is we're going to go and do some shopping, obviously. Then going to go watch the fireworks and then have some food at Planet Hollywood. And I'm so excited for you to go. I actually can't wait. And I really hope you like it because if you don't, I'm going to be gutted.
I will. I was thinking, I think it'll be the same as Hard Rock Cafe, but instead of music, it'll be like movies, which is like my thing.
Yeah, it is. It's basically that, but it's so good. But I'm just hoping they've got something you like. Worst case, if they don't, we'll leave. But
I'm not fussy. They'll have something I like.
I'm sure they will. But yeah, that's the plan. So that was honestly a mammoth task, wasn't it?
We got a lot of pins.
Well, no, hang on. Correction.
I got a
Holly got a lot of pins.
For Ellie.
For Ellie. I got 2 pins. I got the genie pin and also an up pin. But now we're basically going into the Disney park for the first time this trip. I'm so excited. As you can see, it's gotten a lot darker as well. But we're going to go and have a little mooch in the shops before the fireworks start at 10. So that's the plan. We've got about an hour, so we're going to do that. But yeah, hopefully today's vlog, I'm going to try and make it a little bit longer because obviously it's like at the beginning of the vlog for you, but it's nearly the end of the day for me. So I'm going to try and film a lot today as much as I can, but hopefully it's good quality content. So yeah, that's about it really. Then after the fireworks, we're going to get food.
Pirates of the Caribbean right now.
Oh, we could.
Should we go on Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yeah, why not? Oh my god, I'm so excited that we're here right now. Right, no, bye. Quiet. Is it? Yeah. We've made it into the park. It's very quiet. Holly was just saying, like, she thinks it's quite quiet, and actually,
I'm very happy about that.
This is nice. Look at all this space, and fireworks haven't even been on. But I do think a lot of people are going to come from the shops and come through. We're just going to go through the Main Street shops now. So, as you can probably imagine, we're thoroughly excited about it because me and Holly love to shop. So we're going to go and have a look and see what we can find. If there's anything cool, I'll show you. But if not, I'll show you some other time. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't. So we just went on Big Thunder Mountain. How was that?
Amazing.
It was so good. But now we're just going to put the photo on our photo pass and then go and watch the fireworks. So we have found a spot for the fireworks. Oh, you can't see us because my hand's in the way. Yeah, very excited about it. I'm not going to film any of it tonight though, I'm just going to like take it in because I feel like a lot of people will film the entirety of the fireworks in vlogs and it's just a little bit boring. Just nod your head. So yeah, I'm just gonna like take it all in this evening and then film some probably another night. But I filmed it loads before anyway, and I feel like there's like 1,000,001 videos on YouTube of the fireworks. So I don't know. I might film it. I might not. I'll see. But yeah, we're gonna just watch the fireworks now, and then we're gonna have a little mooch in the shops on the way out, and then we're gonna go and get some food. So we just finished watching the fireworks show, but we left about 5 minutes before it was going to finish so that we can leave to go to Planet Hollywood and get some food. Holly's just having a bit of a drink in the background. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Very refreshed.
Good. But yeah, we're going to go to Planet Hollywood and have some food. Don't stress me out. But yeah, we're going to go to Planet Hollywood, get some food, and then, I don't know, see where the night takes us. Do you know what? I was actually...
After Planet Hollywood, the night will take us to bed.
True. But I was about to say, I was shattered on the bus.
Same,
no, I'm fine.
Like
the excitement. Oh, this lighting is better. The excitement of Disney is honestly just like made me not tired, if you know what I mean. So
I feel that like Big Thunder Mountain and then Illuminations, like
just a great combination, wasn't it? Yeah,
that was Star Wars, by the way.
Just to clarify. But yeah, we're gonna go to Planet Hollywood, get some food, and I will let you know what we're having. So we've just sat down in Planet Hollywood, and I've gone for the Kung Pao noodles, and Holly's gone for a pulled pork sandwich. Like pulled pork sandwich. So we're really excited. We're both quite hungry because we haven't eaten since 1:30. 1:30? Yeah.
1:30-ish.
2?
1:30
UK time. And it is now 20 to 11 France time. Yeah, it was a long time ago, so we're quite hungry. We've just watched most of the fireworks, so we're going to enjoy our food. I will show you it when it comes, if I remember. I will remember, because, yeah, I'll show you when it gets here. But it's amazing. I had it once before, or twice before, and it's so good. So, 10 out of 10, would recommend coming here. So we've just come out of the shops. We only went into 2 of them, but we don't want to do them all in one go because otherwise we end up going in the same shops every day. But I bought a Spirit jersey. I got the coral one, so it's like a nice coral with like gold writing on it, so it would look incredible with like rose gold ears or something like that, or maybe like, I don't know, I'll find a way to wear it. But I got that, and then Holly bought the Captain Marvel bow for the interchangeable ears, and her friends a couple pins, and that was it. So we're going to head back to the hotel now. I really hope this video's been long enough because I feel like I haven't filmed a lot today, so I'm going to try and film like a little bit more. But I'll show you what I bought when we get back to the hotel, and I'll see if Holly can show you what she bought as well. The music's a little bit loud, so I do apologise, but I'll catch you guys up when we get there. The lighting in here is rubbish, so I do apologise, but I just thought we would show you what we bought today, because we bought kind of like a lot. So yeah, first thing I got were these ears. Wasn't the first thing I bought, but the first thing I can show you were these ears. Super cute Lion King themed ones. And then I got myself a new lanyard, because every time I come I just seem to get another one. Like, there's no need for it, but I just keep buying too many pins that I have nowhere to put them. So I bought a new lanyard, and this is the Haunted Mansion because I thought it would go with everything. And then I got 3 pins. I got the genie one, which is like really cute. I don't know if it's in focus, which is really nice. And then I also got the, oh, who is this? Russell and Doug from Up, which is cute. And then I also got the new Winnie the Pooh one, which is cute, which is like an Easter one, which just came out recently, really cute. And then I got the Coral Spirit jersey. Oh, it came out yesterday, fab. Yeah. And then I got the Coral Spirit jersey, which I'll just show you in the week because I'm not going to get out of the bag now.
The Up ones came out yesterday as well, just so you know.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Oh, fab. Cool. So yeah, they all came out yesterday pretty much. So we are literally just going to plan tomorrow and get ready for bed. So I'm going to leave you here. I hope the vlog was long enough, and I'm really sorry if it was like 4 minutes long because I feel like that's literally what it's going to be. But tomorrow's will be very much longer, I promise. So I will see you guys tomorrow for a full day of Disney fun. So yeah, goodbye. Bye.